Hello, everyone. My name is Jijun Fang. I'm very happy to share with you guys about Azure AI and the MLOps on the CRA-Ready platforms. All of us know from a CRA-Ready platform to sustainable Azure AI at scale, that is very important. And that is my first page of the slide. I think everybody here, they already know CRA-Ready platform is a must-be as the foundation for the European Union countries. But right now, here's come a new challenge. The Azure AI introduced a new lifecycle challenge based on CRA-Ready platforms. The AI models must evolve, but need to remain controlled. So sustainability matters more than one-time performance. That is where MLOps, machine learning operation, becomes very essential. Then why Edge AI needs MLOps at the edge? The reality of Edge AI at the scale, models must be updated over time, and as well as data and the environment involves. If there is unmanaged update, increased operation risk as well as CRA risk. Machine learning operation enables sustainable and compliant Edge AI. All the models will be controlled and deployed, and they are traceable, the version are traceable, and the maintained life cycle will be done. That is to say, without MLOps, Edge AI does not scale and does not comply. Next page, let me show you how reading text Edge AI and MLOps architecture looks like. You can see it's a closed loop, audible management from development to deployment. It's a very simple cycle. The version is controlled and will be deployed and updated. Where is the monitoring in the cycle and trigger the rollback when it's needed. It's a very simple and clear CRA-Ready platform foundation based on the secure update, device lifecycle management, SFOB controlled, and all the auditability is done. What is the benefit to the customers? All the Azure AI starts from POC, but what reading tech can provide will beyond the POC. The models can be updated. The compliance and the operations are aligned. So from the CRA-Ready platform, MLOps lifecycle controlled, that is the foundation, up to the operation value, the safe update, predictable operations, compliance-ready deployment, up to the business outcome. That is a scalable and sustainable Azure AI you can get. So the last page is very clear. I will state here, sustainable Azure AI. That is a CRA-Ready platform and the machine learning operations together with the security and the lifecycle control. That is exactly what the embedded industrial are looking for. Sustainable Azure AI with a scalable, compliant, and the long term. That is what makes Azure AI scalable, useful, compliant, and sustainable. That is what reading tech is providing. Thank you.